A minority language is just like a species. You need to preserve those because they tell you about who you are as a culture, as a civilization.
Many people in South Norway think that we ride on reindeers and live in tents.
I was pinching myself when we got off the plane. I was like, are we here? Is this happening?
Yo creo que la gastronomía y la bebida y algo que nos diferencia, porque aparte de que te da muy bueno, comemos mucho y bebemos más.
Possiamo veramente mostrare che abbiamo qualcosa di speciale e la gente in generale è interessata nelle cose speciali.
No, just nothing really. No diplomas, but I'm here.
Op een dij verliest wat hield op een dij. Stap ze verkeerde bus in en stier samen ergens op.